Hello, everyone. This is the most magnificent bird, Beak, speaking to you today. And in today's video, I'm back at it with some more Batman Arkham Asylum, and we're going to pick back up where we left off last time. Let's see what happened last time. We had to go rescue the warden, Quincy Sharp, and the Joker released those really crazy patients or inmates with the leather straps and all of that going on. So, yeah, I hope you guys are doing good and staying safe out there. And let's not waste any more time. Let's continue, shall we?
Batman, it's me, the Warden. You know me.
And obviously that's not the Warden. That's an imposter known as Clayface. So we're going to leave him right there. At least the imposter.
Oh, you found that one. Sorry, it wasn't much of a challenge. I was running out of time.
Oh, you notice that? Wait a minute. Now he changed to Jim Gordon. Who are you trying to fool, Clayface? And Poison Ivy also got broken out by Harley Quinn as well in the last part. Oh, here we go. Two people, one voice, no gun.
Surprise! You know, Bats, I always thought there was a spark between us. Well, now there is. I know,
Yeah, positively shocked.
I double dare ya. Why don't you just go get a gun and shoot the stupid bat?
Firepower. Oh,
Boys, keep away from the fist. Hey, B-Man, go easy on my boys. That's not fair, Bat Brain.
hold on, hit you.
Ow, that looks like it hurt. Hey, down there.
Nice.
Ow, that looks like it hurt. Hey, boys, keep away from the fist. Was that as easy as it looked? Huh. Well, it won't be so easy trying to catch me. Mwah!
That one could have been solved by a monkey. But good job, nevertheless.
Taped patient evaluation 5. Victor is not responding well to treatment. Victor, yesterday we spoke about the people you killed.
Ah, the zombies.
They are all people, Victor.
They are zombies. Continuously shuffling through the daily grind, waiting for someone to liberate them.
You mean kill them? The police report states that you've murdered, or liberated, if you like, 20 young women in the last 3 months. Each had her throat slit and was left posed.
They were all lucky to be chosen to receive my gift.
I doubt they would agree with you.
Really? How about you, Miss Cassidy? As you take the elevator to your apartment each night, open the 6 locks to apartment 433.
Ooh.
Remember you forgot to buy the cat food. Again,
How do you know
as
where
you
I...
sit down in your favorite red chair, cat on lap, just waiting for something to happen. I can make it happen, Sarah. I am your salvation.
Oh, hell no. I'd move out of the town at that point. Ugh. I don't know if there's a Riddler clue there or not. Maybe, but I mean, that looks like it could be, but maybe not. I don't know. I'm just trying to find all the Riddler clues that I can on my own before I try to find all of them. Oh great, the floor is electrified. Really great. I guess we're gonna have to go back up this way. But we were just here, so I'm not sure. There's gotta be some kind of switch or something that we can turn off. I've always... This is like one of the few parts I've hated in the game. I shouldn't use hate. One of the few parts I've disliked. Just because I can't always remember how to figure this out. So I guess maybe... Should I try to go down there and risk getting electrocuted to see what to do? I guess maybe that'll work. I don't know though. Yeah. And if I get electrocuted there, I think we would have to do that. Would we have to do that whole fight over again? I mean, I don't think we would, but I don't know. Okay, so yeah, we have to apprehend Harley Quinn. We just gotta find a way to get to her. I can't remember how to get to her here. But I'm sure it's simple. Just there's a way. There's something I'm not thinking of. Yeah, let's get up here before we get it fried. Did I miss something this way? Not that I... You know what? I think we did miss something. Whoops. Let's see where this...
Patient pacification system deactivated.
Man, I feel like an idiot. And we were up there earlier. Oh well, we got it now. Yeah, this thing is a little annoying. You have to get it to that bright green there, you know, the light green. Oh, we can't go that way? Maybe we go... What? Well, what way are we supposed to go? Wait a second. Nah, maybe that way? Could be. Perhaps we'll try it. Where are you going? Okay. Oh. Somebody's drawing some creepy drawings. I don't know who that would be necessarily. I mean, they're not that creepy, but semi-creepy. Maybe this is... Well, wait a minute. Somebody did that again. Maybe a different prisoner. Oh, look. A bunch of flyers. Calendar Man. That looks like, yeah. That looks like something Calendar Man would do. Because he's so obsessed with holidays and the calendar. He's even obsessed with holidays I've never even heard of. But, you know, you have your... You know, you have the holidays that you've heard of and stuff, the major ones, but then there's also minor ones that he's obsessed with too. I can't remember what they are at this very moment. Uh-oh, there she is.
Finally turned up, the Dark Knight himself. How's it hanging, Babs? Got a little problemo for you. See those two guards over there? I know, shocking. How you gonna save them? Wanna give that thing to me, Babs? No fair, that's cheating, Babs. You gonna leave those two guys hanging around all day? Watch out! Bust the cow! A girl could have hours of fun with a toy like that. Just in time, Dad. Just in time. Time for me to go, Babs. I'll miss you. Not. Oh, and now you have only 30 seconds to get out. Bye-bye.
What? Only 30 seconds?
Locked us in with a bomb.
Oh my goodness. Man, that's not a lot of time to figure this out. No, that's definitely not the way. Well, yeah, we're gonna fail it anyway, so.
Bye-bye, Babs. Mwah!
I'm not entirely mad by that fails mission screen. I'll be honest.
How's it hanging, Babs? Got a little problemo for you. See those two guards over there? I know, shocking. How you gonna save them? toy like that. You're cutting it thin, Babs. The power is out. It's just in time. Hit it. Time for me to go, Babs. I'll miss you. Not. Oh, and now you have only 30 seconds to get out. Bye-bye.
We're trapped. He blocked us in with a bomb.
Is it gonna be this one again? I honestly have... I don't know. There's probably a couple that we can try. Well, it's not gonna be that one. I don't know if there's some secret way out, but I highly doubt it. Okay, yeah, we're gonna... There's not enough time. Well, I found a collectible. We'll get that later.
Loser, loser, loser. Ha! Wanna give that thing to me, Babs?
Okay, let's see if we can get it this time.
That's cheating.
This is my third
Time
attempt.
to turn up the pressure. 2 minutes and counting. One to go.
I gotta say, out of the Arkham trilogy, as far as certain parts of this one, this is the one I remember the least. It's because I played Arkham City and Arkham Knight more than this one. I'm sure it's...
Oh, and now you have only 30 seconds.
Yeah,
to get out.
30 seconds.
Bye-bye.
We're trapped. He blocked
I know this is going to be pretty simple, but like I said, there's certain segments of this particular game I remember the least versus Arkham City and Arkham Knight. See, I didn't check this one. This might be the way out. Yep. Okay, we're good.
Move it! Get out of here! Now! Oh, I thought we were both gonna die in there.
You're safe now.
You going after that crazy witch? I saw her heading out of the door as we got out of the room.
She won't get away. I'll stop her and then her boyfriend.
Good. Listen, I'll go try and get the ventilation system working. If you find her, don't go easy on her. For me.
You're expecting congratulations? Come on, try and test me.
What's that thing? No idea. He saved our lives. That's all I need to know.
Oh, we have someone in here with us. It's one of those, yep, here he comes.
Come on, keep up. You getting tired? Let me give you a little help.
Oh no, okay, I thought she was gonna electrocute.
Warmer.
I thought she was gonna electrocute the floor there for a second when she said, "Let me help you."
You're right on target,
Oh.
Patient's name is Victor Saz. For the record, the patient has transferred from Dr. Cassidy, who is on leave after the incident last week. Hello, Victor. Please, take a seat. Guards, you can leave us.
Sorry, Doctor. Warden's orders. I can't leave you alone with him.
I understand. Hello, Victor. How are you feeling today? Victor, I can't help you if you don't speak.
Depressed. Does that help you? Can you get into my mind, Doctor?
Why depressed?
I'm just thinking about the one that got away. The one I chose. I needed the mark. I want the mark!
Here he comes, Mr. J!
Excellent. I'll leave it to you then, my dear.
Get him!
Oh, time to go. Time to. Yep.
Let's turn up the heat. Anyone for fried bat wings? Oh, that's better, boy.
Oh, hurry up, Batman. You're gonna get fried. You're gonna get turned into fried bat wings.
He's done it again. I don't believe it. I'm on my way now.
Oops, change her off the party list. Better luck next time.
God, you big ugly bat! Hey, hands off the merchandise! That's my party list!
Quiet. Why the smiles next to certain names?
You're the detective, you tell me! Huh? You won't find Mr. J. He's in the secret lab in the gardens and...
Yep, I know.
Damn! Well, he'll get me out, you'll see!
Nah, I don't think he will. She says we'll never find the Joker.
Harley is subdued, and I have her print scanned.
So you can find the secret lab in the gardens.
Yes. Harley's been everywhere on the island, so I'm calibrating the scanner to only show prints that have traces of chlorophyll.
Okay, listen, be careful. I rerouted a Wayne Tech satellite to show thermal scans of the island. The gardens are showing up hot. Something bad is happening there.
Harley Quinn says we won't find the Joker, but yet she says that he's in the gardens and reveals that information by accident.
Easy, isn't it? Well, we'll see. We'll see.
Harley isn't, as far as keeping the Joker's location a secret, she isn't the sharpest tool in the toolbox
Men
there.
will always help those who are stuck.
But I think Batman already knew when he scanned Harley's fingerprints. He was going to get that info.
More subdued recently. Response to medication has been poor. Hello, Victor. Is there anything you'd like to talk about today? Victor! This is going nowhere. Guards! Get him out of here!
You heard the doctor. Get out. Didn't you hear me? He's got another! Ah! Get it, try again! Get it, try again! Oh, God! He's on Bill! He's cutting him! Get him off! Get him off! We need help here!
Even if somehow Harley Quinn would have kept Joker's location a secret, I still think Batman would have found out shortly anyway. But it's just funny. She's like, oh, you're never going to find Joker. He's in the gardens. Oh, crap. You know, just the way she's like, you're never going to...
Just a warm-up, Bats. And to be fair to the little scamp, she did a great job. Let's call it a B+.
A B+, okay.
I'm aiming for the A. Just got to mix a couple more of these chemicals, and I'll be creating my own personal army. Ha!
No, I'm not even going the wrong... I'm going the wrong way. Oh my goodness. I gotta go all the way back. I have to say, out of the three of Arkham Asylum, Arkham City, and Arkham Knight, Arkham Asylum's gotta be my least favorite environment. That doesn't mean it's bad, it's just most of it looks the same. You know what I mean? But it's still a really good game, but this is my least favorite environment out of the three. I hope I'm going the right way now. Okay, I am. Wait, is there anything up here that I might have missed? No, never mind, we've been up here. Oh. There's a Riddler clue? Maybe the mirror? It could be. I don't know what else it would be. How do you reflect on your success and failures, Batman? Yeah, okay, that makes sense, the mirror. See, some of these Riddler clues are pretty easy. Some of them can be difficult. Oh, no. We just came from there. We want to go out. Whoa, what is... Oh, what the hell is going on? I don't know. That don't sound too good. Maybe something to do with poison ivy? I don't know. Aren't they all so nice, just lining up one at a time to take me down? Excuse me. Obviously, their better strategy would have been, while one of them jumps at me, you get the others to pile on top of them, but...
Sign up for the Titan program has so far exceeded all expectations. This unprecedented all of my salary with the Titan formula. Don't be afraid. I know the stories of nations and monstrous side effects, but don't worry. Those really don't happen too often.
I should pick up Harley Quinn's trail. I can't waste any time finding the Titan production plant.
This is a Riddler clue here. There we go.
What the hell was that thing?
No idea. Joker's cooking something up, man.
Yeah. Don't tell me.
Stacy's got or something. Messing with people's bodies. He tries that stuff on me, and I quit.
Me too. This place is creepy enough without those monsters running loose.
He's here!
Oh great, how many armed guards we got? Oh man, 6 of them.
What are you doing?
Nothing much, what are you doing? I'm just sitting here, and sir, it looks like you're just hanging there.
You don't shut up. I'm gonna be down. Anyone got a way out of this? We gotta find him or we're next. You hear me? I'm sure it came from over there. Come on, where are you? Ah, hell with this.
Come on! He's just a loon like the rest of us. I mean, have you seen what he wears?
I'm at the door. Nothing here.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh my goodness. I didn't even see him, man. He was well hidden. Oh. Oh my goodness. They took a lot of health off there. Well, about half my health.
Wait up. I'll watch your back.
pop out of anywhere. When he does, blow his head off.
Here, man! His numbers! There's more of us than him!
Y'all are way too close. Y'all need to separate. I mean, by a lot. Nah, but they are smart by doing that, by sticking real close together like that, right?
Looks like it's 4 against 1. Not bad. I advise keeping it that way.
Except you left one of your buddies all by himself, though. So we just gotta find a way to. Nah, they still way too close. Wait a second. Are you separating?
What's happening?
Yeah, come on, come a little closer to the gargoyle. Well, never mind. Here comes one of your buddies. That's okay, we got it.
Get off me!
Ooh, damn. Oh my goodness. That was pretty close.
The lot of you are making me angry. Stop him and stop him now. I have to send Harley up there. There'll be trouble.
Where are you? What are you doing? Ah!
Are you kidding me? They didn't hear that one? Okay, whatever. Oh man, we gotta be quick. One. Ooh, oh no. There's a flying bat down.
Oh, isn't that cute? The little bat's a-sleepin'. Someone finish him off.
Let's do this again. Damn it. I was so close.
Get off me! Ah! What happened? What do we do now? Shut up and keep looking. We'll come back when the baddie's dead. Hold up, I'm coming with you.
There's still 5 of you left. Plenty enough to take out a bat.
I'll find you. Do you hear me? I'm at the door. Nothing here. What are you doing? Someone! Ah! I'll hunt you down when I'm done with the bat. Breathe. How's he keep doing this? What's going on? We gotta find him, or we're next. You hear me? Leave him there. We got bigger problems. Find the bat. up. I'll watch your back.
He's taken out 2 of you. Find him.
Get off there!
Uh-oh. Yeah, I figured he would have seen me, so...
I don't know where he went. Up above us somewhere.
Come back over here this way, sir. Don't go down there. Like a little...
I'm not scared of you, Batman.
Like a little scaredy cat. Come on now. You don't want to fly up here with the rest of your buddies?
Down, you're running out of people.
You can tell Joker is getting annoyed. Let's see.
What's happening? Wake him! He's up there!
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Oh God! He just vanished!
It's just the 2 of you now. Bet you're wondering which one of you will be next.
I know I am.
Even the Joker's lost faith in those two, huh?
I'm not scared of you, Batman.
Are you sure about that?
Where is he?
Are you blind? Look down on the ground. There's something down there, and I don't like it.
You heard the boss. Man down! Man down! Is anyone gonna help me? Hello? I need help here!
You're the only one left, buddy.
You're feeling the pressure. You study. Really? He beats you all. Again. What does it take? All his losses?
You need to stop this now, before it goes too far.
Stop? But everyone's dying to see what I do next.
Let him go now.
Really? Okay, if you say so, then. What? No!
You really need to speed things up, Bats. This race you'll never catch me!
I need to shut down power to this room.
All right. I think that's actually going to be a pretty good place to go ahead and stop for this part. And let's see. The next video I'll have is I don't know. It'll either be an RTS Walking Dead video or the Pro Bowl, because I still want to do the Pro Bowl. So yeah, that's pretty much going to do it for Batman Arkham Asylum for today. And yeah, I've been having a really good time with this. Like I said, I think as far as the environment, out of the other two games plus this one, I would say that this is my least favorite environment, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad game. I just think the other two environments are better overall, especially Arkham City. And yeah, I don't have much else to add to that other than I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and for your continued support. And just as much as I'm enjoying this current playthrough, I hope you guys are enjoying this playthrough as well. And I am Buck Beak, and I'm going to go fly away back to my nest. Until next time, bye guys.